Hello, welcome the students. We shall start a new chapter today, that is Animal Kingdom. We shall start a new chapter, that is Animal Kingdom. It is the chapter 4 of the NCERT. Now, Animal Kingdom. We all know that the livings are at first divided into two. One is plant and next one is animals. But in the classification, 5 kingdom classification, which is proposed by Whittaker, the Animalia, it was the 5th kingdom according to Whittaker classification. 5th kingdom according to Whittaker classification. Animalia is the 5th kingdom according to Whittaker classification. Now, we know that there are so many animals found in the world. And it means above the millions of animals are found in the world, and they are means above millions. They are found worldwide distributed. They are worldwide distributed, and for the convenient of study, means for the systematic study, the so much animals must be classified. इनका सुविधाजनक या सिस्टमेटिक अध्ययन हो, इसके लिए इनका क्लासिफिकेशन होना आवश्यक है. एंड द सेकंड पर्पस इज फॉर क्लासिफिकेशन टू प्लेस द न्यूली डिस्कवर्ड स्पीसीज. और जब इनका क्लासिफिकेशन हो जाएगा तो जो नए आने वाले स्पीसीज होंगे जिनकी खोज अब तक नहीं हुई है, अब होगी, अब सामने आएंगे, तो उनको उनके फीचर्स के हिसाब से स्थान मिलता जाएगा. सो क्लासिफिकेशन इज मस्ट. समझे? तो अब व्हाट आर द बेस ऑफ द क्लासिफिकेशन मीन्स नाउ द basis of classification. What are the basis of classification? We know that the animals found in two places. One is aquatic, second one is means their habitat is of two types. One is aquatic, which found in water, and which found in dry land. So the animals are firstly divided into two according to their habitat. Ones which are found in the water, they are called aquatic, and one they are found on the terrestrial, they are dry land, they are called terrestrial. So first, and in the water you say, suppose this is the water level of ocean, no? Water level. Some are found superficially, some are found superficially, some are found in the middles, and some found in the bottom. and this is superficial. This those animals are those living animals which are found on the superficials, they are called zooplankton. And you know that in the middle the fishes are found, and in the middle you generally found the fish, and in the bottom we say a starfish, octopus, etc. So they are found at different levels. And so some superficial, that is free floating, and it is also called free floating, middles, and that is in the bottom, and another name is also given, that benthic. In the when it comes to the terrestrial, it is the soil level. So it is a soil. Some of it is the upper parts, and it is the inside the soil. Some animals found inside the soil. Inside the soil, that is soil is found, and those which are found above the soils, they may be of many types, and we are also in that. And in that, some animals live on tree, that is arboreal. These are like monkeys. They are found on the on the tree. So they are known as arboreals. Next one, some also found on the which moves on the lizard on the wall, means move on the wall, that is lizard. So there are so many types of animals which are found at different places. So that is, we may divide them on the basis of on the basis of their habitat. On the basis of their habitat, that if they live in water, they are called aquatic, and if they live in the dry land, they call terrestrial. Now the next features of classification is level of organizations, means what type of body level of organizations, that is we shall study. On that basis we classify the animals. Some we know that kingdom Animalia contains multicellular animals. In the kingdom Animalia, we get multicellular animals. So when the cells are many, so their body level organization of the following types. First one is cellular level of organizations. Examples: sponge. In that, the body are made up of cells, and the cells are, there are so many cells, but each cell is independent. They are not combinedly work. So that is a cellular. Although so many cells, but the cell works independently. They do not depend on others. और इन द जॉइंट, मतलब इसमें सेल, सब सेल का समूह सेल होता है, सब बहुत से, लेकिन सेल इंडिपेंडेंट पे काम करते हैं, आपस में मिल के काम नहीं करते हैं, समझे, जैसे टिश्यू लेवल में होता है, जो बाद में हम देखेंगे. तो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज सेलुलर लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. एग्जांपल स्पॉन्ज. सेल टिश्यू लेवल ऑफ organization. We know that tissue is the combination of cells having same origin, structure and फंक्शन. जहां कहता है कि वैसे कोशिकाओं का समूह जिसमें ये तीनों एक होते हैं, तीनों मिल के काम करते हैं, समझे, यानी जिनकी स्ट्रक्चर्स भी एक जैसी होती है, लगभग, समझे, उत्पत्ति भी एक जैसी होती है, और सब मिलकर काम करते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड टिश्यू लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. एंड टिश्यू लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन and the such structure is found in Hydra. Example means member of coelentrates, a member of coelenterata. So in such coelenterata, the tissue level organization is found. And one thing is that in the Hydra, the division of labor is also exposed. It's also found. Now next one, the organs level of organization. So it is the feature of higher animals. We know that tissue combines to form tissue systems. I have already studied that cell forms tissue, tissue forms tissue system, and this tissue system forms organs. So it is the high level of organization. They developed in developing a specific organ for they developed in a specific organ system, and these systems are concerned with a specific physiological function. Means by that organs, means suppose this is the cell tissue combines to form a organ, that is hand, and that is specified for the functions. Similarly, leg, eyes, these are the organs. So such type of level organization is called organs level organization. Although in the organs level of organization, and there is differentiation found in the different animals or different groups of animals. As for examples, means different in different. As for example, in the platyhelminthes, platy means flat, helminths means wall. So in the platyhelminthes, the digestive system is incomplete. Means digestive system is incomplete. That means one opening acts as both mouth and anus. Means the single opening is responsible for both action, means for as eating and as for excretion, means as acts as mouth and acts as anus. And while complete, digestive system contains two openings. One is mouth, means the both openings are separate. That one is for taking the food, that is mouth, and the second opening for the excretion, that is anus. So in this next one is the vascular system. The vascular system of two types. One is open blood vascular system, means that is open type. Next one is closed blood vascular system, that is closed type. Means this is of open type blood vascular system and it is of closed type. Open type means the blood never, suppose this is the heart, it never returns to the heart again, but it ends in cells, tissues, like that. So that is known as open vascular system. And when it is the heart and blood after going in certain vessels again returns to the heart, that is by arteries, by veins, and in this capillaries. So that is called closed vascular system, means blood again returns to where blood moves in a closed system, and that is in the open system. The name will explain you what does it mean. Next one, body layer. The body layer is found in, it is of two types. One is diploblastic. Next one is triploblastic. Di means two, tri means three. This is the two layers. One of is ectoderm and next one is endoderm. This is up to suppose this is the this is the ectoderm. This is the endoderm, and this is a non-cellular part, that is mesoglea. This is the non-cellular part. So when the body wall is made up of two, ectoderm and endoderm, that will be called diploblastic. Understand? An example in the coelacanths. While triploblastic, that is 3 layers, and these are outer ectoderm, middle one, mesoderm, body wall is made up of 3 layers. That will be, suppose, this is ectoderm, this is mesoderm, and this is endoderm. So, if the body wall made up of 2 layers, that is, they are mesodermal in the origins. Okay. So, that is diploblastic having 2 layers, triploblastic having 3 layers. Okay. The outer one ectoderm, and the middle one mesoderm, and the inner one is endoderm. If all these 3 are found, that is called triploblastic. If the mesoderm is absent, that is only ectoderm, and the endoderms are found, that is called diploblastic. Time is 2 times T.